In this tutorial, you will learn how to sum time in Microsoft Excel. In previous tutorial, we have learned how to insert and format time in Microsoft Excel. Remember that if you have not correctly formatted this time, then Microsoft Excel will not be able to calculate the hours worked. If you are interested to insert and format the time, you can watch our previous tutorial. Then in next tutorial we have learned how to calculate the hours worked. Firstly, we have calculated the hours worked when the start work and end work dates are same. After that, we have calculated the hours worked when the start work and end work dates are different. If you are interested to calculate the hours worked, then separate tutorials are available on our channel. You can watch those tutorials. So in this tutorial, we will focus on how to sum times which is already calculated. We want to sum this time. To sum this time, simply put equal sign, write sum, double click on it and select the values. But remember that if your sum is more than 24, then Excel will not automatically calculate that one. You have to apply certain tricks. If the combined values is less than 24, then Excel will automatically calculate that one. For example, if we sum only these two values, close this bracket and press enter, then you can see here Excel has successfully calculated these two one. Now if we sum up all these values, then Excel will not be able to calculate this one. For example, I remove existing values, select the cell where you want to display the result. I want to display result here, put equal sign, write sum, double click on it and select the cell which contain values, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see here result is not correctly displayed here. The Excel is not able to sum time correctly. So we have to format this cell in order to sum time in Microsoft Excel. Select this cell where you have displayed the result, right click, and here you will find the option of format cells. Click on it, separate window will be appeared. From here select customs, and in customs I will select this one which is the H in brackets. From here I will remove seconds because I don't need seconds. So from types I have removed the seconds. After doing that, click on OK, and you can see here Excel has correctly calculated the sum of time. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.